Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing the Desi tag. A lot of you guys asked for it. I'm just trying to find the questions, so don't mind that. So I'll just do the Desi tag today. It has just 5 questions. I'll do it quickly because the sun is also setting and I don't want the lighting to be like blah. So just let's start quickly. The first question is, which Desi country are you from? I'm from India. I think a lot of you, almost all of you, know this fact that I'm from India. I live in India. I'm currently shooting in India. Yes, I'm from India. Next is, which Desi languages do you speak? Say a phrase in every language. I speak Hindi. I can speak a little bit of Punjabi and Rajasthani, broken bits, because I can understand and I'm not too sure about speaking. Let's try this right now. So I'll speak the phrase I like you all very much in all the 3 languages. Hindi first. आप सब मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. I actually put in a lot of Hindi words in my videos as well because they just slip out like that. And in Punjabi is तुम सब मैनू खूब भले चंगे लगियां सी. I think I said that right. And in Rajasthani it would be मणे तमसा खूब अच्छे लाग्या सा. If it's not correct, don't blame me. I can understand it completely. I can't speak it. That's a different story. Okay, so let's just move on. Next is, what is your favorite Desi food? Like one. I have a lot of Desi favorite foods like bajre ki khichdi. Then there's chole bhature, dal bati churma, which is a Rajasthani dish. Then there is aloo puri, and it's making me hungry. There's a lot of one, but if I had to choose like one, it would be ultimate bajre ki khichdi. I love that stuff. Then there is, what do you think describes you best as a Desi? I think my philosophy describes me best as a Desi because there is a difference. I'm not demeaning any culture, but there's a difference between Western and Asian culture. Asians are more collectivistic and Westerns are more individualistic. It doesn't mean that there's anything bad with the Western culture, but it's just that there's a difference. I'm a sociology and psychology student, so I know that there's just a difference. I'm just saying it's different. I'm not saying which one is good or better. Both are equal but a little different. So the philosophy of being attached to your parents and that collectivistic feeling of like complete the whole big joint family, I'm more of that person. Plus I've already decided that my wedding has to be completely like traditional. Even my brothers, I've told them to just dress traditionally and everything should be traditional, like complete Indian Desi, because that's how I like it to be. So I think that describes me best as a Desi. Next question is, if you could meet one known Desi person, who would you like to meet? I like to meet Ranbir Kapoor, Hrithik Roshan, and more on the intellectual level, APJ Abdul Kalam and Ratan Tata. But if I had to choose one, I think it would be Ranbir Kapoor. I'll just seduce him because he's a bachelor, and because Hrithik is already married, I'll take Ranbir, or just cut it. I will go with APJ Abdul Kalam and discuss about India's future. Nah, Ranbir Kapoor it is. So yes, with that we complete the video. That was just a really short, sweet, quick video for Monday vlog. And then I really love getting your requests. If you have any other requests, type below, because I love getting requests. I love doing requests. So yes, with that we finished the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. I will see you guys day after tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.